Hi Womanias, this is me 10 years back on my wedding day. So let's recreate a better version for my Karwa Chauth with Forever 52. So technically it's my 17th Karwa Chauth as I am keeping it since I met Robbie, my husband. Karwa Chauth has been always special for me. I loved how my mother-in-law made sargi and all day how we prepared everything for the puja. I always loved doing makeup, especially when I got married in 2013. Makeup was not so advanced, as contour, highlighting, advanced techniques were missing. So, whenever I wear my wedding attire, I feel like let's recreate my wedding look in a better version. So, this is the look which is very easy to do and will make you look charming even after keeping all day of fasting. So do try this look and tag me and Forever 52. Happy Karwa Chauth everyone. Hope you all enjoy this day with your loved ones and follow me for more such videos because one of your view, one of your like inspires me. Happy Karwa Chauth people. Sada Suhagan Raho to all the married ones.